We're at Landscape of Flavors at the Art of Animation. We've been here once for like brunch-ish, but this is dinner, so. Plant-based burger, my guess is Beyond Meat and some Daiya cheese. I'm not super impressed, as there's like fries all up in my food. It actually might not be bad. I'm gonna keep the fries in there. Okay. Beyond Meat, Daiya cheese. It's actually pretty good. And that's very like cookie cutter. But yeah, I would eat this again. Daiya cheese is cool. I don't think it tastes like cardboard. It does taste like fake cheese though.
I will be determining if it's fake cheese or not. I have this never-ending war with Daiya and how that aftertaste hits you. So, significantly grilled. Definitely Daiya cheese. Definitely that Daiya taste. Not as bad as normal. This one's kind of melty. A decent burger. Average. 3 out of 5 plus. Not fantastic. Doesn't blow my socks off, but it's edible. And I probably prefer this over a real burger. So now I got weird and experimental. Couldn't decide what I wanted to eat. So I got a surf and surf burger. Not a surf and turf. Not shrimp or crab and steak. It's a crab cake and shrimp. That's it. Lettuce, pickles, remoulade sauce, and fries and coleslaw. You see here the bun's nice and crispy. Got the crab cake patty now her. How do you stack this on here and not? There we go. It's gonna be a big bite. But bears do big bites. It's definitely a little issue. I don't know, the shrimp is real good. The crab cake is kind of bland. Like it's not really seasoned. Even with the remoulade, it's kind of like I taste shrimp and remoulade and barely taste the crab at all. It was nice to try it out. Probably wouldn't order it again. 2.5 out of 5 plus. Fries. Typical Disney shoe cream fries. Coleslaw, which comes in a container. It's kind of like. Luckily bland, but it's coleslaw. Put some pepper. It'll be okay. All in all, you come from the park. You're here at Art of Animation. There's a lot of choices. You know, you got pasta, pizzas, regular cold sandwiches, hot sandwiches, dessert. Pretty much anything you want here, and the food is decent. It's not, you know, Disney signature restaurant good, but I mean, if you're coming from a day where you've been at the park all day, you're just tired, you want food, this will definitely do. I'd come here again. Something else other than this, but I'd do it. So, comment, let us know where you want us to go next. We seriously love your input. Anything you'd like us to do here at Disney, just let us know. We're going to try it out at least twice. Until next time.